Hello, my name is Sean, and I'll be doing a tutorial on Benedict Cumberbatch. It's a very edgework heavy mod. So, to start off with, we're going to go through this one. So what we're going to need is the two names on top, which is Bomba and Call. So, and we'll go through the rules here. If the prefix on the left is broccoli, buffalo, syphilis, or Cadbury, which it's not, otherwise, starting at 0, use the operators below to calculate the index value. If at any point your answer becomes greater than 9, you module 10 it, which we'll go over. So we're starting at 0, and we have Bomba. If each of the following statements are true, we're going to add 1. The bomb has a parallel port, which we do have a parallel port, so we're going to add 1 to that. The serial number contains a vowel. It does contain vowels, so we're going to add 1 to that. More than half the modules on the bomb have been disarmed. No. Next, for each of the following statements that are true, we're going to add 2. The bomb has a serial port. We do have a serial port, so we're going to add 2, making it 4. The serial number does not contain a vowel, but it does contain a vowel. Half or fewer of the modules of the bomb have been disarmed. Yes, because there's 0 modules that have been disarmed, so we're going to add 2 to that, making it 6. Next, for each of the following statements that are true, we're going to multiply it by 2, then add n. So first, the bomb has a lit FRK indicator. No. There are more digits than letters in the serial number. No. The last digit of the serial number is even, which is yes. So first we're going to multiply by 2, making it 12, and then we're going to add n. And n in this case is equal to 5, so 12 plus 5 is going to equal 17. And then to module 10, we're going to take the rightmost number, which is 7. Next, for each of the following statements that are true, we're going to multiply it by 3, then add n. The bomb has an unlit NSA indicator, which we don't have. There are more letters than digits in the serial number, which we do have. There's 4 letters, 2 digits. So we're going to multiply this by 3, making it 21. Then we're going to add n, which is going to equal 7 in this case. So 7 plus 21 gives us 28. Take the rightmost number, which is 8. The last digit of the serial number is odd. No. Then you compare your final index value with the table on page 3. The given suffix is the correct answer. So if we go all the way down here, find the 4 name prefixes, find Bomba right here, and click on 8 row for our 8, we get Tonk, which is our correct prefix. Postfix in this case. So we gotta find Tonk. There it is. And then we do the exact same thing for the right side. In this case, we have Call. If the prefix on the right screen is Bonaparte, Oxfordshire, Talisman, or Lingerie, which is neither of those, so otherwise we're going to start at 0. Next, for each of the following statements are true, we're going to add 1. We have a stereo RCA. No. There's more than 2 barriers. No. The bomb has non-unique port types. And that's just asking, is there any duplicate ports, which is no. If each of the following statements are true, we're going to add 2. The bomb has an RJ45. No. The bomb has fewer than 2 batteries. Yes. So we're going to add 2 to that. All port types on the bomb are unique or none are present, which is also true. So if we get 4. And for each of the following are true, we're going to multiply 2, then add in. Bomb is a lit FRQ, excuse me. No. The bomb has more than 1 type of port. Yes. We have more than 1 type. So we're going to multiply this by 2. Because we have both a parallel and stereo, and then we're going to add n, which is 4. That makes it 12. Take the rightmost number, and we get 2. The bomb has more than 1 battery holder. No. Okay, next, the bomb has an unlit MSA. No. The bomb only has 1 type of port. No. The bomb has no battery holders, which is true. So what we gotta do is we're gonna multiply by 3 this time, which is gonna be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we gotta add 8, which gives it 14. Take the rightmost number, and we get 4. So 4 is the next index for the right side. So we gotta find Call for our surname prefixes, and then find 4, which is over here, and we have to do Milady. Dispatch Milady. Well, let's press submit.
Well, that was tedious.
You get a little Benedict Cumberbatch saying something with soft module. Alright. Next up. And the good thing about this, since it's edgework heavy, none of the answers would change that much. Broccoli, buffalo, syphilis, or Cadbury? No. and no Bonaparte, Oxfordshire, Tasman, or lingerie. So it becomes still 8 and 4. So we gotta find 8 and 4 of the same types here. So we got Bumble, find 8, which is berry. Gotta find berry. There's berry. And then we gotta find coddle. And find 4, which is bath. Press submit.
Well, that was
Another
tedious.
solved module. However, the right side doesn't change, but the left side does change because now more than half the modules have been solved. So while the right side is still going to be 4, the left side is going to be a little bit different. So crumple is going to be butt. Find butt first so I can set it up. And then finally, we got to go through these names because it's changed a little bit. Bomb has a parallel port. Yes, 1. Serial number contains about 2. More than half the modules bomb have to disarm. That's 3. Bomb has a serial port, so that becomes 5. Serial number does not, half or fewer. Okay, so we're at 5 right now. Bomb has a lit to FRK. No. There are more digits in the... Nope. The last digit of serial number is even. Yes. So we gotta multiply it by 2, which gives it 10. Then we gotta add n, which is 5, which is gonna give us 15, which gives back to 5 again. No for each of the following statements are true, multiplied by 3. Unless no more letters than digits. Yes, so we're gonna multiply by 3, making it 15. Then gotta add n, which is plus 7, gives us 22, which leaves us with 2. And last digit of number is not odd, so our next answer is not 8 anymore, but it's 2, which means we have to find Basher. It's probably gonna be the last one, is it? Oh no, because we're on Bean, so it's drive, which we actually arrived at. So press submit,
Just tedious.
and that's our solve module. Now let me get an example of one where we have, let's see, avocado, cabbage, cabbage. Isn't cabbage one of them? No. All right, don't worry, guys. Give me a second here. I'll give us a crap ton of new modules here. First to look at. Let's see if we can get anything good. Here's one. Oh, here's the perfect one. Alright, so if the prefix on the left screen is broccoli, buffalo, which it is broccoli, ignore the below operations and use 0 as your index. Okay? Cycle the suffixes on the cards to determine which list we're using. So we don't really know anything over which list we're using, but for the left one, all you need is one word. But sometimes you gotta spell it out because, for example, if we have stick on our left, there's 2 types of sticks. So it's best way to spell out the entire word, which is drive. So I say, okay, I got drive. D-R-I-V-E. And then I'm like, okay, that's under Bane right here. So the 0 is dict. D-I-C-T. So I find D-I-C-T, which is right there. And that's what we submit as an answer for the left one. And then for the right one, if it's Bonaparte, Oxfordshire, Talisman, which it is on the right, then we gotta do the same thing. We cycle the suffixes on the cards to determine which list we're using. And we're gonna use 0 as our index. So we gotta find what list we're using. Unfortunately, on the right side, sometimes there's words that are used in multiple lists, such as sniff. It's not a lot, but it can happen. So for this one, we have D-I-N-C-K, which only appears in 1, which could have happened. So say I was actually more like, if I can find it, this one. If I was on this word, I would need more information. So the expert would tell me, okay, I need another different word than that. Okay, I say clock. Find clock on this. And okay, there's only one clock, so I know which one you're on. So we're gonna use Swart. Okay, let me go back up here. Swart, and we submit that answer.
Well, that was tedious.
And that's the module. Hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial. And until then, guys, keep talking
What are you, an idiot?
and don't explode.